You guys, we're back. It's been 8 years or something since we've been able to cook together because we have a lot of kids and very demanding and busy social lives.
Yeah, lots of galas.
Oh, yeah, to go to. We are gonna make some mini cake donuts. I'm gonna put a graphic on the screen now. Yep. Something a little different is that I got some of the ingredients out prior to beginning. I think it's like a choose your own adventure when you get the recipe out.
What would Nancy Drew do?
Make some mini donuts and then find out who...
Hide them for people to find them.
Oh, was she in charge of making the mysteries or did she solve the mysteries?
That's the mystery. We're grown-ups.
We are grown-ups. We have a baking show. Kids don't have baking shows.
No.
Like, as if kids could be on the internet. So
It's not a place for children.
no, it's not.
No.
It's barely a place for us. So we need to preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna lightly grease a mini donut pan. Look at Jamie and her cute little mini donut pan.
It's a mini donut pan.
You know Jamie is here when there's actually butter out to soften. Soften? I don't know. Soften.
Does the T go silent just because you add an EN to the word?
It often does.
Because we say soften. I'm a little off my game today. I feel crabby. I feel crabby
moment.
and my wit is suffering because of my crabs.
Not those kind of crabs.
Here, let me hold this. I feel like I'm just standing here doing nothing.
You were talking about your personal
My-
problems. I did not get the cups out. Next time, I like to allow myself room for growth. You know, next time maybe harder.
You can't just ace it overnight. Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, baking powder. I did not get out the baking powder. Don't be so mad,
we're not
America.
right? I knew how to line dance. I would be line dancing right
Oh, if you tell my heart. Well, thank you, this man.
Did you used to go to the caves with
I
Brenda?
did. I went one time. You still doing the walking lady?
I was just going to bring her up. I have been doing the walking lady.
Oh, man.
And even some of those walking moves, I'm like, why is this so hard for me to do this? No coordination, people.
Oh.
I have made some cake donuts in my day. Deep fried kind. Because it's healthier. Deep frying is always healthier. The nutmeg adds such a delightful, rich flavor to it. Surprising, you guys.
It's like those overhead shots, but I just tilt the bowl. The Josh does the overhead shots.
Oh, we don't have fancy overhead contraptions.
I still don't do great about reading the, what's it called? The recipe ahead of time.
2 tablespoons of melted butter. There is an airplane out there. Add the butter. Adding butter. Ooh.
When I took my baking class, that's what they said to do. Always start low, go high. Start low, go high. It's like magicians, what they do with the cards.
I think this is the most peaceful recording we've ever had.
It's true. Our children are inside now. So relaxing. The sound of the mixer and the children running around like elephants. Two of my favorite sounds.
Mine also.
Shut up.
Said to mix it for 30 seconds.
Whoops. Don't overmix.
Don't overmix.
Transfer the batter into a pastry/frosting bag fitted with a large circular tip.
Do you have a Ziploc bag?
I do have a Ziploc bag.
Baker hack.
I got an Elsa bag. I think I got this at, what's that, Williams-Sonoma? This is how the pros do it. This is how Josh and Ange do it.
Oh.
Yikers.
Oh no.
Good.
Oh,
We're okay.
No. Okay.
I just mopped my floor like 3 months ago, but
I don't think I've mopped my floor at all since I've lived in my
you
house.
barely lived in your house.
I moved in at the end of May last year. It's not that long to go.
No, that's not even a full calendar year.
Of isolation and the sign of the queen. Ooh.
That was bad. Swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, and it knows I tried. What were line
Can't hold
dancing?
it back anymore.
Let it go.
Do you have some straw?
I do have some straw. Is everybody okay?
There was just a bit of a debacle about Minnie Mouse,
Oh.
but I think it's resolved.
Yes. My kids have bunk beds. The top bunk is purely for storage. The bottom bunk houses 2 of my children.
It's a
They're
twin.
snugglers. That's good.
I have learned to improvise in my day.
Yes, we're putting them in the oven. That's how you cook stuff. Double the butter when you don't have corn syrup and you're too lazy to go to Target.
Yo, 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 YouTubers! I'm back! Same sweatshirt too. Hope it's going well.
How cute is that? That's adorable. That is like sunshine in a bowl. Look, we've got a mini human and tiny mini donuts. They're so cute. Oh. That is the seal of approval.
Yeah.
Donuts, everybody! Feel a water on my ear.
No way. Oh my goodness.
There's a distinguished gentleman coming this way.
Oh wow, good job ladies. It looks very good. Everything you've been working on. Hi YouTubers.
Professional him. This one spoke at the MOPS.
Mothers of
mopping.
preschoolers.
She did phenomenal. She is like the Joyce Meyer slash, who's that cute blonde lady who does the devotional? Beth Moore slash
Jen
Hatmaker. Yes! I'm gonna put a graphic up now. These are delicious.
We haven't tasted them yet.
I just have a really good feeling. And have you been to the symphony recently?
No way.
Oh, okay. Which one? Which one did you see?
Little Einstein. Oh, my kids love sea creature shows. I'm like, come on, you
If
guys.
there's one thing that this woman loves, it's giant sea creatures. Why do you not like sea creatures?
I don't know. I find them terrifying. One time I went snorkeling in the Caribbean because I'm fancy. I was snorkeling and then I got super panicky because I thought a shark could come in any second, and I tried to climb back in the boat, but the boat was really slippery and I totally had a panic attack in the water, and I was trying to climb up and I kept sliding back into the water, and I was like, somebody help me get in the water.
Yet another reason it is good that we lived the best of our life before social media. Because this would be on
It would have been
YouTube.
posted forever for everyone to see my slippery panic attack in the Caribbean.
The children have taken giant sticks that my husband collected yesterday to make a nest for an eagle. So we're just waiting for it to land.
The real eagle!
Is it? Is it gonna land in your nest? We will not take any of its feathers because that is illegal. P.S. My son thinks every bird is an eagle. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, I like the nutmeg in there.
Mm-hmm. Isn't it good?
Yeah. So does the baby shark, so I'm totally freak you out.
No.
That's good. Because it's a tiny shark. We're like Paris Hilton.
And Miley Cyrus.
Oh, Miles! Hopped in the car and then...
LAX. Why can't I think I used to know it. Put my hands up and playing my song. You know
Butterflies
it's
fly
fly away.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. So yeah, we're like them. Paris, what did she used to say all the time on her
That's
reality?
hot. So I feel like what's more important, raising your kids or the internet?
Or having a funny thing to say on video. You're like Paris Hilton when you say that's hot. And I'm like Miley Cyrus when I say sweet giblets. That's hot.
You can't finish it, you just have to say the first part of the
That's
word.
hot.
I like these donuts.
These sprinkle. These donuts are hot. You know what's hot?
High-pitched voice.
These donuts are hot because they're fresh out of the oven.
You know it, Josh and Ange.
We wore you guys down. You love us. You Insta-storied us. Wow,
You did. It said, I love these moms making our recipe. I read it
Moms,
initially
plural.
as just the moms on the interwebs making all your recipes. And then I realized, wait,
Oh no, this is personal.
does she mean us? The Paris and Miley of this kitchen?
All right, these are done, y'all. Every single little tiny donut. See, I always do tiny donut or tiny dancer to the tune of Private Dancer. So I say, tiny donut, donuts for money. Do what you want me to do. Tina Turner. It's a movie called Dirty Dancing.
I don't
Have
think
you heard
there
of
is.
it?
No.
There is.
Is it new?
It was before your time.
Oh, obviously.
It's a classic
Is it
from
the
the-
early 70s.
What do you think, baby?
Is it delicious? Is it the best? Is it yummy in your tummy?
Tell Auntie Shell.
What do you think, babe?
Yummy.
Yummy? Good. Kid tested.